Even your enemies will respect you after this. When people talk about gaining respect, even from those who may not like you, they often imagine something dramatic or scary, but the truth is much more grounded and practical, and it connects closely to ideas discussed by Niccolò Machiavelli in The Prince, where human behavior is viewed practically rather than in an ideal way. I'm telling you 7 steps, even your enemies will respect you after this. The first important step is being clear about your values while staying flexible in your actions, which simply means that people should understand what you stand for as a person, even if they cannot always predict exactly how you will react in every situation. For example, if you value respect, honesty, or discipline, those things should remain constant in your behavior and no matter where you are or who you are dealing with, because consistency builds a strong identity in the minds of others. However, flexibility